Hello, fine girl. Madam, here too. How are you? Beautiful angel. Wow, I like your smile. So, madam, nilikuwa naomba kama unaweza nisaidia tu mia chakula na angamia tafadhali.
You think so you did what?
Bas, unaweza nisaidia bas na bas 150 kama una 150. 150. Next time. Okay. Na huyu ni kama anaweza nipatia consistency. Nimeleta tena. Hello madam. Sasa nasema kama basi huwezi weka 50.
What if it is?
Choko na kusaidia. Like literally mzima. Unaomba msichana pesa. Like what the hell, are you okay? Are you running mad?
Oh my
God.
Let's have it.
What do you do when your fellow men are working?
Jesus.
No, I'm talking to you because tell me why your fellow men are working and you're here begging a lady for money. Like who the hell does
Hell.
What kind of century is this?
Woman.
Hell.
Are we still living in a century where wanaume wanaomba wanawake pesa? Like what the hell? Kichoko inakusaidia? Is your head right in you?
Woman.
The hell?
Let's have it.
Dissolve!
The hell?
Dissolve.
Like you're a human.
Dissolve.